Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get the copied text or files from Windows, Mac, Linux computer to Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective computer, whether you're using a Windows, Mac or Linux computer, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Clipshare Client, and on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you will see here server. So you need to download the server on your respective Windows, Mac or Linux computer, and on your Android smartphones you need to download this Clipshare Client also. So just click on this releases. Just scroll down. Now you'll see here various download options for Linux, Mac OS and Windows computer. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download this Windows version. So if you're using a Mac, then get this Mac, and if you're using a Linux, then get this Linux one. So finally the file has been downloaded. Just double click to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. So before running this software, just download the same application on your respective Android smartphone. So once again, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search again Clipshare Client, and the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now just click on this download the client app. Now click on this download. Now click on install. So finally the install has been completed. So now before using both the application on your respective computer as well as Android smartphone, kindly connect to the same Wi-Fi internet connections, and after that just click on open on your respective Android smartphone. Click on allow. Now just run this Clipshare Sharper application on your respective computer. Just double click on it. Now you will see on the system tray menu icon, as you can see here, it's running right now. As you can see, it's running. So now let us check if it really gonna works or not. So let me open a notepad. So now on your respective Android smartphone, click on scan. So now it will auto detect the server address, and on my respective computer let me type some text. So now let me select it and let me try to copy it. So I have copied this word text, right? So now in order to get the copied text from your respective computer to your Android smartphone, what you need to do is, as you can see here on your Android smartphone, get option, right? Just click on it. You can see here receive text. So now you might be seeing where this receive text is saved. So now just open your respective inbuilt keyboard and now just click on your clipboard icon. Now you can see here the text option is showing up, as you can see here right now. So finally we have got the copied text from our respective computer to our Android smartphone, right? So now say if you want to get the copied text from your Android smartphone to your respective computer, still it's possible. So let me select some text or words here. So I've copied this 192, right? So now just right mouse click on any notepad and click on paste. Voila, now you can see we have got the copied text from our Android smartphones to our respective computer also. So now if you want to copy the respective file also, still it's possible. So let me show you how you can do it. Let me open the file explorer. So now in order to get the copied files from your respective computer to your Android smartphone, what you need to do is, say I'll just select one folder name as wallpaper. So I have some images here, so you can add documents also here, but you need to copy our respective folder. So just right mouse click on it and click on this copy, and now in order to get this copied file in your Android smartphone, you can see here file, just click on this file. So now you can see here receive all files, right? So now you might be thinking where all those files are saved. So just open your gallery if it's an image file, and now you will see here all the images which I have copied on my respective computer. So you can see here. So similarly you can do the same thing if you want to send a file from your Android smartphone to your computer. Then just click on this file and select any file, whether it's images or anything, and now just open this download folder on your respective computer. I will see here one folder created. Now here you will see here the respective file which I have sent from my Android smartphone to my respective computer. So you can see here. So by using this application named as Clipshare, you can easily get the copied text or files from Windows, Mac and Linux computer to Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.